Hello everyone, in this video we will create a bell and ball falling animation. So here I'm going to delete this Toby, and I want bell and ball, so I'm going to will select from choose a sprite. So here I search bell, we got bell here, and then the second sprite is ball. So as simply I got from here the ball. First we will write the code on the bell. So here I am going to write the code by event block. It is used to start the program. So I drag this, then I will set my XY position. So this will be go to XY will be 0 and the Y will be -50. Then after we will set the size of the bell. So let's make this bigger, as I given 200. Then I will set the angle or of this bell. So go to the in the motion, we will get the point in direction. So I am going to set my angle as 75. This 75 is approximately correct for this. Okay, now we need extension, so I will go to the add extension and will add this physics engine from here. Then from the physics engine we will get the first we will set this the stage as fixed with open without floor. We will set our stage as open without floor. Then we will enables this costume as mode will be normal. And then after I will set my sprite as not fixed. This will move but on its position. Then I will set the gravity will be 0 and -1 -10 same. And then I will set the density normal density as very light and rough. And then I will set as normal, this bounce as normal. And then I will set the step simulation as forever in the forever block. So I set this simulation as, so this block script is this bell script is completed here. Now let's move to the ball and we'll write the code on this ball. So here we will write we need a green flag. Then after we need we will hide this first. So here in the looks we'll get the hide. Then we will switch the costume in the looks, same in the looks block you will get the costume. The first costume will always we will keep the ball A, and then we will change the costume next. But in the forever this will change as continuously. And then this will create clone also. This will create clone forever continuously again. And then after this will wait for 0.5 second. You can set your time according to your wish. I am going to set for half second for 0.5. And when I start as clone, then this will set the X go to X and Y as go to XY as this will pick the random value and from -100 to 100, and the Y will be 300. So here this will be as this will show, the sprite will show here, and then I will go to the physics engine and will enables the costume and made this the mode will be normal, and will set the density and roughness as when the density will be very heavy and the roughness will be normal and the bounce is as little. Okay, and then this will wait until you will get here, wait until in the control, wait until the Y position is less than -250. Okay, and then this will delete its clone. So this is completed. Now let's see how it's works. So for the testing I am going to click on the green flag. Wow, it's working. It's working very smoothly. So the bell and ball falling animation is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.